what the Navy feels with it. Yeah, dude, we should have thought y'all were counting. No, don't look the way out.
I'm from military family.
Yeah, I'm Marine. Us too.
Yeah, no.
I just see fucking lights.
This is a flight suit.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Well, yeah.
It's like the Dollar General type.
I can show you.
Like wish list.
Hold on.
You got the pockets.
Which pocket?
Yeah.
17 different fucking pockets. What are you looking for, bro?
It's.
You know what really sucked? I saw the lights and my original plan was like, alright, you guys go downstairs, I'm gonna talk to them. And then the lights were coming from downstairs.
We were gonna wait for you guys to pop outside before you said anything. We were just gonna leave you alone. You're really doing the whole goddamn thing.
Yeah.
All this to
Wait,
prove
so
that
who
you're
was sitting all the
green.
way over there? Well, I don't want to be called a fucking liar.
There's only the 4 of us, and we were all in the same fucking spot.
So was everybody already in there?
So was someone
Yeah.
just sitting outside on their phone and all?
We weren't on the phone.
Yeah, because there's a green light out there.
There's a chem light out there.
Okay.
No,
After that bitch, I thought you guys were copping up. Just wait for it.
You know Joseph Wells?
Huh?
Joseph Wells.
No.
Okay.
Would have been a Matt Myers.
There's only 7 Marines with the entire team.
Where's he stationed?
I don't know if they're
North Carolina.
What base?
I don't know.
I'm on New River.
He's my best friend. I don't talk to him that much.
Alright, well, it's cool that you guys aren't cops. Yeah. Sorry we look the way we do.
Yeah, it's all good.
Honestly, that's just giving me inspiration to do that. So thank you.
Yeah, just don't be a fucking fed.
Dude.
Nah, here. Alright.
Damn.
Well,
What's
that's definitely more action than I thought I was gonna see.
Just a fair warning, there was a light out there. If you were already in here, then...
The chem light?
Chem light?
No, it was a flashlight.
That was us.
Downstairs.
Outside?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, we ran into them like right on the road.
We went
Yeah,
Oh, okay, so
we
that
flashed at them on their way in so they would know who we were.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, we seen you guys from Lowe's.
Damn.
Well, that's us.
I doubt we were hard to spot.
Dude, there's so many damn.
I would love to do man. That sounds fun.
Yeah, apparently we were
Fun as fuck.
Teams?
Yeah, let's do manhunt teams, bro.
Ooh,
Ooh,
shit.
that sounds fun as
Oh,
fuck.
shit.
We would have to like stay to like 2 floors.
Yeah,
honestly.
2 floors. First 2
'Cause
floors.
there's so many, like there's not that many floors, but there's
So many
like.
damn rooms.
I'm taking this damn thing off. This is annoying.
So,
Base took mine
I
off.
feel like,
No, we're not. We got a long drive.
What?
We're not from here.
come on, man. You could at least like.
Yeah,
walk
we're not
2
from
hours.
here either.
We're from like 3
We're
hours.
like 2 hours.
I'm not either.
Yeah, me neither. I actually live like 5 hours away, but like I was just
I'm from
visiting.
Philadelphia.
I went to.
Yeah, I gotta go back up to Max's crib
Oh, I'm so
up in
sorry.
Philly.
You can take them off.
Beast train, man. Like again, like.
Hmm?
I died out there.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I'm already gonna be doing underwater welding.
Where'd you go?
Underwater welding?
Yeah, so I already expected to die sooner than later. So
Just because
What
it's
grade
your
y'all
school doesn't mean
I'm a senior this year.
I'm a freshman.
Yeah,
Dang.
He's in high school. He's in high school. That's it.
graduated.
I graduated like 3 years ago.
You old
Fuck.
motherfucker.
Alright.
You graduated 2 years.
Nah,
You're no
it'll be 3.
It'll be 3. I graduated a year ago.
I said like. You did not go to Miss Sullivan's English class, I'll tell you that.
I did too.
You
I
know
did
that.
too.
Well, then you
Mrs.
must have
Sullivan's
failed.
English 12A.
Ain't her favorite thing.
Oh,
I
shit.
am her favorite.
Definitely
Whoa,
fucking not.
I am her
Definitely
favorite.
not.
I am her
Calm
fucking
down.
favorite. I am her favorite. I'm her
Whoa,
favorite
whoa.
graduate.
That was my teacher in 8th
No,
grade. That was
no,
my
she's
teacher
my-
in 8th grade, bro. Yeah,
we not
before
doing
she even
manhunt?
came to this school.
Are we not doing manhunt?
No, because they said that they gotta leave because they're not from here, which is completely understandable. What time is it?
Anyone have a fucking vape?
Nah.
12?
It's 1.
You always have one on you. What do you
have to
mean?
pee. You wanna go?
I want to play manhunt now. Fuck. Look, he's so funny.
We should play like infected inside of this place, bro. You gotta like book it over shit, under shit.
What?
I want to. Y'all want to play?
I'm playing.
I want to play. They literally just said they would.
Speed demon.
Alright, how was the powwow?
Alright,
So we
so.
determined the answer. Are we playing manhunt or?
Hell yeah.
4, 4, and 5.
Yep.
That's even group.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Damn, you
12 of us.
That's 4 groups.
Somebody's got to count first.
I feel like the Navy SEALs.
How you get 12 out of that?
Yeah.
How you get 12 out of that? It's 4, 4, and 5.
Hey, it's
my guy.
point education.
It's what,
Yeah, that's
13?
Stafford County for you.
Oh, yeah.
So I graduated a year ago. Don't. No.
13 or 15?
Wait, I was 13. How many people?
1, 2,
13.
3, 4, 5,
13.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
There you go.
Cal's one off. The mask is menacing.
Close enough.
Take it.
Amazon.
Hell yeah.
Stafford education.
Oh, yeah, it's the best.
Alright.
Alright,
Yeah.
so what are the rules?
Yo, I didn't get my
Stick
fucking
to
discount.
this floor.
My fault.
and
Damn. Don't blame me.
We haven't been up that floor yet. So.
And this is the county floor, maybe.
Yeah. Oil
But
count.
the deal is, we can't like, we can hide in different rooms, but like, no going like, say you guys are all a group or whatever.
Yeah.
You're all the way over there, and like, they're all the way over there. You know,
So we gotta stay
We all gotta
together.
stay
not
together.
necessarily, but close.
Yeah.
Split up
Groups of
to
two?
area.
Probably no more than 2 rooms apart.
You're my daughter.
Yeah.
We know we'll find each other. So we all like.
Are we allowed to like escape?
Yeah, we all
If
get
you
away
get
from it.
found,
It
you
just
stand
depends.
out in the hallway where you
Yeah.
were hiding, I guess.
What do we do with cops?
We stay hiding.
That's what he did.
I guess they
Everybody
start
run different
playing
directions.
Yeah, everybody run.
And don't get lost.
Just stay with your groups.
Yeah.
Did you say this is
Listen, I mean, I don't know.
Okay.
Wait, is that
This is
mine?
real?
Not
Is that
mine.
mine you broke?
Not mine.
I bought one of them, so I mean, you could just have that
yours
one.
off.
Totally.
No, rattle them, make them look real.
They're all the same.
My brother has a black one of those.
I got a Lancer tactical. It's like
Yeah.
$100.
That's pretty tight.
I had a scar in the
It is?
car I was gonna break.
Ah.
I didn't have a sling.
Where did mine go?
Yeah, what?
I have it here just in case, but because I got
It's good to go here.
Oh.
Alright, I'm ready.
I think it's 3 away.
Whenever y'all ready.
Yeah,
I'm
that's
gonna
what
fucking.
So it's manhunt?
Yeah,
We're
I'm
counting
gonna buy
first.
that Ruger Precision. They got a 6.5 now. This is 3.17.
Alright, guys.
So it's okay.
Get her up. Get her done with.
Alright,
There's
Is it on?
It's about to die, but I just turned it on. Are we playing?
Yeah, we're playing.
Okay.